Hi you guys, welcome to today's video. I'm going to be making some green muffins. They are my kids' absolute favorites, but we are going to make these into Grinch muffins to be a little more festive for the holidays. So these are so healthy. My kids absolutely love them. I don't think they know how healthy they are, but they are loaded with spinach. I have banana, oats, coconut oil, baking soda, sugar-free syrup, cinnamon, apple cider vinegar, vanilla extract, and then to make them more Grinch-like, I have a little red candy that we'll put in the center after they're all cooked up. Oh, and then 2 eggs down here. I'm gonna cook these in my favorite ever silicone little muffin molds. They're just the best. I love them. And they're all made up in a blender. So you just blend all of this together, put them in their little muffin cups and bake them in the oven. My oven is preheating right now to 350 degrees. So I'm gonna get these all made up. I'll put the recipe to this in the description box because they are seriously, they're really, really good. My kids, like I said, absolutely love them and they beg for them all the time, which is totally good with me because they're really healthy. So this is a great way to get your kids to eat some spinach if they're picky vegetable eaters. So I'm gonna get these all made up.
Okay, I have 2 cups of old-fashioned oats. I'm just gonna pour into my blender with all of the other ingredients. I have 2 bananas that are very ripe. You definitely want them to be ripe. If they are fresh, they just don't have a ton of flavor for these, and these are really awesome to help make these nice and a little bit sweeter. So I'm gonna add in 2 eggs. And this, like I said, this is totally healthy for the kids and they don't even realize because they just have really awesome flavor. Has a 1/4 cup of, I'm using sugar-free syrup, but you can use honey as well. I have a 1/4 cup of almond milk. You can use regular milk if you'd like. I have a 1/4 cup of melted coconut oil. You can do melted butter as well. I have 1/2 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. I have 1/2 tablespoon of vanilla extract and 1/2 tablespoon of baking soda. I'm going to add in a dash of cinnamon, and then I am going to fill the whole blender up with as much spinach as I can fit to make these nice and green, and then I'll portion them into my little muffin tins. I'm going to cook these at 350 for about 17 to 19 minutes, and these are such a huge hit, and like you can see, there is really healthy ingredients in here, so definitely awesome for kids for trying to get them a little bit of extra nutrition, trying to get them some extra spinach in their diets, extra veggies. These muffins are a huge hit.
Okay, so the muffins are all done. I'm gonna add the little red candy to the center while they're still hot so that it'll go right inside. And these are, like I said, so healthy and a little festive, calling them Grinch muffins. So totally a huge hit with our family. So I hope that you guys try these out. They are seriously super duper good. The boys, seriously, they want them like at least once a month. So whenever we have some ripe bananas, definitely have to make these for them. They're going to be so excited when I pick them up from school today with these delicious muffins. So, I have been doing a video every single day this month to celebrate December and celebrate the holidays. So it is called Vlogmas, and make sure you subscribe to my channel and check out all of my Vlogmas videos. So many fun Christmas recipes and themed things. I did a cocktail a few days ago to get into the holiday spirit. So super fun. Make sure you subscribe and check out all of my videos from this month. It has been so fun making these for you every day. So these are all done. Hope you enjoyed. Leave me a comment if you have any questions, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.